juicy. Look at that. Hey, this is Ric Orlando. Welcome to Recipe Please on YouTube. This is the Flavor Maker Spices playlist. This is where I show you how to use my amazing line of products, which are right here, my Flavor Maker Spices. Dude, they're taking off. They're selling like hotcakes. People are asking me, what else can I do with them? So I'm going to make a bunch of videos, show you exactly what to do with them. But while you're here, please subscribe, like, and comment. Go into the comments and say, hey, Rick, I like that, or can I put ketchup in that? And I'll go, wah, wah. But definitely like, thumbs up, subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll get little emails when I do new videos, and comment because I like to hear what you're thinking. So today, we're going to make something really healthy, really great. We're going to make lamb kofta. Could be a lamb burger, could be a lamb meatball, could be a little lamb skewer. Lamb kofta. We're going to use ground lamb, and I'm a big fan of lamb, and I'm going to tell you why. Lamb is always grass-fed. Grass-fed animals eat from the top of the soil where all the minerals that you need to live are. They're really good for you, full of omega-3s, full of minerals. So let's get to work. This is some local ground lamb here. I'm going to show you how easy it is using my KESH Moroccan seasoning to make the most delicious lamb burgers you've ever had. So look, I'm going to put this right in the mixer. Got my friendly little Smeg mixer here. Maybe they'll endorse me someday. And I'm going to add 1 egg to this. And why am I adding an egg? Well, we want to lighten it up. We want to make sure it binds really well, okay? Only a couple more ingredients to this. I've got a diced onion. It's about a 1/4 cup. It was a piece of a small onion. See how small that's diced? Right in there. And I'm going to go with 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to smash it like that and give it a quick little mince. I don't want it to be too big. So there you go. Some nice garlic in there. Everybody loves garlic. I'm going to put some parsley in there. And parsley does 2 things. It makes things fresh. It also helps to counter the garlic breath. That little bit of delicious chlorophyll in there. The KESH has black pepper in it. You don't need to add pepper. It has turmeric, it has cumin, it has cinnamon, and more. But I've got some kosher salt here. And for about, I usually put a little less than a teaspoon per pound. So I'm going to put about 1.5 teaspoons in here. The last thing I'm going to add is delicious KESH seasoning. This is my custom Moroccan blend, my North African blend, my Israeli blend. It's got all the things, like a Ras Al Hanout, but Ras Al Ric. It's called KESH, short for Marrakesh. So for this 1.5 pounds, I'm going to put 2 nice teaspoons full like that into here. And let's turn the mixer on. Nice and easy. Let's incorporate that spice into there. It smells beautiful already. Oh my. Let me get a pan here. Our egg is mixed in. Our onion's mixed in. Super beautiful. We've got this beautiful mix here. Now I could make big burgers. Oh, it smells so good. I can make meatballs. I can make a meatloaf, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make kofta. I'm going to show you how. We're going to put little balls down on the board here, on the pan, like so. We don't need to grease the pan because the lamb has a good amount of fat. It's going to release right onto there. I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to flatten them out into little ovals like this. Perfect kofta. Now, you can skewer these and grill them. You can cook them in a frying pan. We're going to cook them in the broiler since it's winter here in the Hudson Valley. I'm going to pop these right into the broiler and we'll be back when they're done. All right, my lamb kofta are in the oven. They're going to be about 5 minutes, but while we're there, I'm going to show you a really quick, really easy, and insanely delicious sauce. Not just for lamb burgers. You can put it on hummus. You can dip vegetables in it. So many great things. We're going to make a little garlic yogurt. So look, this is plain yogurt. This is not Greek yogurt. This is full-fat, regular probiotic yogurt. I'm going to break out the old garlic press. I don't use it very much, but I don't want any really big pieces of garlic in here. So we're going to squeeze 1 moderate-sized clove of garlic into this, okay? Boom, there you go. Simple enough. Now we're going to take a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon. This is a pretty big lemon. I usually say half a lemon for a cup or so. But let's see. Yeah, a little lemon juice like so. Pow, that's good. I'm going to take a little bit of this delicious KESH seasoning that is in the meat. I'm going to put a little bit, about a half a teaspoon right into there. And we'll take a little bit of the fresh mint that we have left, a few leaves, maybe 3 or 4 leaves. I'm making about a cup here. We're just going to give this a quick mince. Now you can get fancy. You can put cucumbers in here. You can put tomatoes. You can put mango. But I'm just making a delicious, awesome sauce that you can use not only on your lamb burgers, but on your falafel, on fried fish, on anything you like. All right? All right, let's check out our little lamb kofta. Oh man, the whole house smells so good. So look, we put the egg in there, which keeps them nice and firm. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Take a nice little piece of gluten-free toast. A little beautiful spoonful of our Moroccan yogurt garlic sauce, a little tomato, a little cucumber, a piece of bread on top, and you know what I'm going to do? Before I take a bite, I'm going to say, today on our Flavor Maker Spices playlist, we featured KESH, Moroccan seasoning. We made beautiful lamb kofta. Unbelievable. But here are the rest of the Flavor Maker Spices and the Richter scale hot sauces. We have our Trinidad, our Purple Haze, and our whole line. So whatever you buy, if you have a question, email me. When you watch this video, please subscribe. Please like. Please comment. Please ring the bell. Do whatever you can to let people know how great Flavor Maker Spices are for you. I'm going to tell you right now how great this is. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm Ric Orlando. Thank you. Juicy. Look at that.